Hello, today we are transferring some data from Pipedrive directly into Google Sheets using the COZYROC Cloud Google Sheets add-on. First, let's go to Google Workspace Marketplace and search for COZYROC. Click Install and accept all the permissions that are needed for the add-on to function and finalize the installation. Now let's open a sheet and check out the newly installed add-on. In the sheet, click on Extensions, COZYROC Cloud, and Open. And you will see the add-on in the sidebar. On the first screen, there are some instructions to get you up and running. Now let's head to Pipedrive. Here in Leads, you see the data we want transferred to the Google Sheet. To connect to Pipedrive, we will need an API access token. To get it, go to Personal Preferences, API, and click Copy. Now, let's connect COZYROC Cloud to Pipedrive using this token. Open your COZYROC Cloud account, select Gems, go to Gallery, and find the Pipedrive data source. Click on Install and paste the Pipedrive token. To finalize the connection, click on Refresh Resources and wait for the process to finish. One last thing before we return to Google Sheets is to generate our COZYROC Cloud Personal Access Token. Go to Profile, Personal Access Token, click on Generate, give it a name, make sure to select the TDS scope and submit. Copy your token. Let's get back to Google Sheets. In the sidebar, click Next, use your COZYROC Cloud username, paste your personal access token, and log in. Now select Guided Mode, click Next. For Schema, select Gems. For Table, select the Pipedrive Leads table. Check out the Pipedrive SQL statement to be executed. And click on Run Now. And here you can see the Pipedrive data directly transferred to Google Sheets. Thank you.